Sunday coffee on your tongue. You laugh, my whole day tilts. Bare feet on the kitchen towels, your sweater sleeve brushing my wrist. We say my name, it lands so soft, like we're the only two that exist. Every quiet, every thought keeps circling back to this. Saskia, my only one. Every road I walk runs to you. If the sky fell, if the days came undone, I would still choose the same view. Saskia, my only one. Every heartbeat learns your tune. In a loud world, you're the hush that I trust. Saskia, it's always been you. You fall asleep mid-film again, mouth half open on my chest. I pause the scene, I watch you breathe. Time gives up, forgets the rest.